Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Can you guess what I'm gonna be making today? Can you tell by my outfit? Alright, you guessed it. In today's video, I'm gonna be making gnocchi and tomato sauce. Now for those of you who don't know what gnocchi is, little starchy potatoes. Let's get into the video.
So I'm dicing up one yellow onion and I'm gonna saute it in the pan with a little bit of oil. Once the onions start to brown, I'm going to add some mushrooms in, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. I'm also adding in 2 bay leaves. And I'm seasoning the mushrooms and onions with a little bit of sea salt and pepper. Now I'm adding in 1 large can of tomato sauce. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of dried basil, you can use fresh basil, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, and I'm also adding sea salt, black pepper, and garlic powder to taste. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. Now I'm covering it and I'm going to let it simmer for 20 minutes. While the sauce is cooking, it's time to prepare the gnocchi. All you do is bring water to a boil and let the gnocchi cook for 3 minutes. Now I'm adding in a handful of fresh spinach and I'm just gonna let it cook down.
Now it is time to plate the gnocchi. If you don't have vegan parm, make sure you get it. Here we go. This is so good. If you're tired of eating pasta and you want to try something new, then gnocchi is the way to go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at NamNamToFitness. I'll see you next time. Okay. My hat keeps coming off.